pH team. You all come in different shapes and sizes. It's amazing. What a big, beautiful world you guys live in. You know what? We're going to test some physical properties out today. We're going to look at color and hardness and texture and odor and taste. Let's look at those physical properties together.
Okay, so today's lab is based on physical properties, which physical properties are anything we can measure or sense with our five senses. And for today's lab, you need a table, which should look something like this. You should have our apples 1, 2, and 3, the color, the shape, the volume, the hardness, the texture, the odor, the taste, and the weight. And weight's optional. We have a kitchen scale. If you don't, that's fine. Again, it's optional.
So today's our guinea pigs are apples. So our first column is color. So apple 1 would be red, apple 2 would be green, and then apple 3, we'll say yellow. So the next column is shape. This one's like,
It's like a tall circle. It's like a cylinder,
yeah, it's got that,
but it's not as round.
it looks like a square because it's got flat.
Yeah, it's like a square.
We'll say square on
Yeah,
that one.
that's a good idea. Okay. And then this
Right.
one is like almost like the perfect apple.
Yeah.
It's like perfect square. I mean, circle. It's a perfect circle. It's a perfect circle. I'm sorry. It's a perfect circle.
Yeah,
Circle.
And then the third and final one. This one's always mysterious.
Yeah. I don't know. It's like a circle, but
It's
it's like a tall circle.
It's
Or like it's like warped on the side.
yeah, it's flat and then round.
Sits like a warped. So I
I
guess like
think-
a warped circle.
We'll just name it warped.
Warped. Okay, so to measure volume, it takes multiplication, which I know what you guys are thinking, math, oh my gosh, but math is a very important part of science. So to measure volume, you do the height, the width, and the length, but in science, we use the metric system. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and estimate because this apple is not a perfect shape. So let's go ahead and start with height for the volume, and height is 8 centimeters. Okay, so we can treat this like a square, which is length and width, which those are the dimensions that make up a square. So the length is 7 centimeters, and the width is 9 centimeters.
So we multiply those three numbers to get volume, which that number is the amount of space that this matter takes up. So a hardness is basically just squeezing how hard the apple is on a 1 to 5 scale. 1, not very hard at all, and 5, very, very hard. So this one, I'd say, is about 4.
This one's also a 4. This one's really hard.
Oh my, this one's like a 5.
Oh yeah,
That's definitely a 5.
Okay, so this next part is weight, and if you don't have a kitchen scale, that's fine. You don't have to do this part, but you usually measure grams in science, and this one is only ounces, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, so that apple is 7.9 ounces.
And then I'll do the worded one. And this one is
9 ounces.
9 ounces. Wow, that one's heavy. So for these next 3 parts, you have to slice the apple open. So for that, for safety, I recommend having an adult do it for you.
Okay, so odor is how the apple smells. So we're gonna go ahead and smell it. Sweet, sour, however it smells.
This one smells sour.
Yeah, definitely sour.
Alrighty.
Okay, so now we'll do the green apple. This one smells sweet, but it
Me,
tastes sour.
I mean, yeah, it smells sour to me as well.
It's sweet for me. Okay, the last apple.
Now this one is sweet.
Yeah, this is a really sweet apple.
Okay, so taste and texture are linked. Taste is basically if it's sweet or sour in your mouth, and texture is if it's gritty or soft. So,
It's sweet.
It's sour.
And it's soft. It's sweet and soft.
Actually soft, yeah.
Texture is soft. Taste is sweet.
Soft. Taste is...
Alright. Okay. Next is the green apple.
Give
Okay.
me a moment. Okay, you ready?
Oh, I like green apples.
Oh, sour. And gray.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
Sweet.
Oh my gosh. That is so sweet.
It's so good.
So the favorite apple of the day is?
The
This
awarded one.
Yeah, yellow. This one's so good.
So how'd it go, H-Team? Guess what? Sometimes experiments don't work in science, and that is okay. We just redo it. But regardless, I would love if you would share your results to any of our HTH platforms, and then I'm gonna give you some feedback. Can't wait to see what you did. Bye!
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.